Not too long ago, I met someone who was completely stuck. She had bills piling up, no job in sight, and every time she scrolled through social media, she felt a mix of frustration and regret. Why? Because she saw people making money online, some of them not even half as skilled as she was. She told me, "I spend hours on Facebook and Instagram every day, but I have nothing to show for it." Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Businesses are desperate for social media managers right now. They know they need to be online, but they don't have the time or the skills to manage their pages properly. And the best part, you don't need any experience to get started. Today, I am breaking down 8 simple steps to help you launch your social media management business from scratch. These are the same strategies people worldwide are using to turn their love for social media into a steady income. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal a powerful secret that could land you your first paying client in just a few days. Welcome to Ellen Finance, your go-to channel for money matters and passive income strategies. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on anything. All right, let's get into it. Step number 1, understand what social media management really is. Social media management is not just about posting cute pictures and funny memes. It's about building a brand's online presence, creating connections, and helping businesses increase their revenue. As a social media manager, your job includes planning and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, analyzing performance, and running ads when needed. Do you want to start strong? Treat your own social media as your first project. Show potential clients what you can do through your personal pages. Businesses don't just want someone to post content, they want someone who understands their goals and helps them achieve results. Step 2, choose a profitable niche. If you try to manage social media for every type of business, you'll end up overwhelmed. Instead, pick a niche that you understand or have an interest in. Some high-demand niches include fashion brands, fitness and health, restaurants and cafes, real estate agents, personal brands and influencers. So many small businesses in your area like fashion, food businesses, and logistics are thriving and needed social media help. This is where you fit in also. Choosing a niche makes you an expert in that area and helps you attract clients faster. Step 3, learn the basics without spending much. Here's the good news. You don't need a degree to start. There are tons of free resources online to help you learn. YouTube tutorials, endless free content, HubSpot's free social media courses, Meta, Facebook, Blueprint for mastering platforms. Don't just watch, practice. Start by experimenting with your own social media and creating test campaigns to build your confidence. Step 4, build your online presence. Before you land clients, you need to look the part. Businesses will check your online profile to see if you can really walk the talk. Set up your Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn with a professional bio that highlights your services, sample posts that show your creativity, testimonials or results from test clients, even if it's family and friends. Many businesses check Instagram first, so make sure your page looks polished and showcases your work. So think of your profile as your digital business card. Step 5, offer your services for free, smartly. I know what you're thinking, why should I work for free? But listen, offering free services for a short time is a smart way to gain experience, build a portfolio, get testimonials that attract paying clients, find a local business, a friend with a brand, or a struggling entrepreneur, and offer to manage their social media for a month. Once you show results, they might hire you permanently or refer you to others. Make sure they give you a glowing testimonial to showcase to future clients. Step 6, find paying clients fast. Once you've built some experience, it's time to start making money. But where do you find clients? Here's how. Join Facebook groups where small business owners hang out. DM potential clients on Instagram and LinkedIn. Offer your services to local businesses like salons, cafes, and fashion brands. Many WhatsApp business owners need help but don't know where to look. Target them with personalized offers. Start with affordable prices around 50,000 Naira or $100 per month, and increase as you gain more clients and confidence. Step 7. Use the right tools to work smarter. Managing multiple social media accounts can get hectic, but using the right tools will make your job so much easier. Some must-have tools include Canva for stunning designs, Hootsuite or Buffer for scheduling posts, CapCut for simple video edits, Google Docs for planning content calendars. These tools help you stay organized and deliver high-quality work effortlessly. Step 8. Keep growing and scaling your business. Social media is constantly evolving, so you have to stay updated with the latest trends and features. Follow top social media marketers. Take advanced courses and experiment with newest strategies to stay ahead of the game. Once you have steady clients, consider offering additional services like ads management, hiring an assistant to help with content creation, creating packages for different budgets. Scaling means more clients, more money, and more freedom. And that's it. With these 8 simple steps, you can start your social media management business with zero experience. Now picture this. In just a few months, you could be running a successful business, earning good money from something you already love doing, social media. But here's the catch. You have to start now. Which step are you going to take first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ellen Finance for more practical money-making tips. Always remember, financial freedom is not just a dream, it's a decision. Let's make it happen together. See you in the next video.